Well, hello there, Sharon Horne-Ellstrom here. Let's talk about how Thanksgiving can help you to supersize your business. Happens to be Thanksgiving here in the United States today. Canada, our Canadian friends had it last month, but it shows us the importance of being grateful and thankful for, number one, for our businesses, for our lives, and for everything in our lives. If we focus on what's going right in our lives, we get more of that. So instead of lecturing you and talking about and pontificating about things to be thankful for, or heaven forbid things I'm thankful for because you don't care, what's important to you is what you're thankful for, I decided I would do something different today. And I'm going to just share a list of like 22 different Thanksgiving related idioms. Of course, in the United States, our traditions tend to center around family gatherings and a whole lot of yummy foods, which I'm going to go cook in a few minutes. But I wanted to chat and share this Thanksgiving and these Thanksgiving idioms with you first. So I'm going to share a list of them, and I would love it if you would pick and share your favorite one below and maybe say why it's your favorite. Or you can say, of course, the thing that you're most thankful for or grateful for in your business. If we are not grateful and thankful for our businesses, for our customers, for the people that partner and do business with us, then we won't instill that thankfulness and gratitude in the people that we serve. And that's one of our major objectives and major reasons for being in business, is to help and serve other people. And when we're grateful and appreciate them, they are in return grateful for the value we bring into their lives, and they will continue to do business with us. So although it sounds altruistic, it's actually a little selfish, but it's also the right thing to do. We give what we want to receive. And so we give thanks, we give gratitude, we give love and service and appreciation to the people that we want to help in the world. So what are these Thanksgiving idioms? I'm going to, in honor of my grandmother who passed away last year, use her magnifying glass to read this crazy list of Thanksgiving related idioms. So here we go. To be stuffed, probably one of the most common feelings on Thanksgiving, at least here in the US. To go cold turkey. Many of these we've already talked about in this little segment on Supersize Your Business. If you don't know what they mean, you can always Google them, right? And then find out other people's experiences and stories and share your own. To count your blessings, a stuffed shirt, a blessing in disguise. To talk turkey means like to get down to business and talk about the real important stuff. To be a mixed blessing. COVID for many of us is a mixed blessing. There's been lots of changes and disadvantages, but there's been a lot of advantages for some people as well. Gobble up. We want to do that with our turkey. As easy as pie. The gravy train. Eat like a bird. Stuff it. Have you ever told anyone to stuff it and not meaning a bird? Stuff your face. Food coma. Many of us experience food comas on Thanksgiving Day, as well as Christmas and other big holiday celebrations. Eyes bigger than your stomach. Yes, I definitely experienced that, at least on some years. Dig in. The rest is gravy. Hot potato. Grab a bite. Chew him out. That's kind of a mean one, but guess what? I guarantee there's going to be some familiar chewing one another out today. That always happens when families get together. Piece of cake, chow down, and stick your foot in your mouth. And I think we've talked about almost all of those during the last 600 and some days talking about idioms. So that's it. That is my Thanksgiving challenge for you today. Pick your favorite Thanksgiving related saying, or share in the comments below one thing that you're most grateful for about and in your business. Have an awesome Thanksgiving, an awesome day, and I will, of course, be with you tomorrow with another interesting idiom. What does it mean? Where does it come from? And how might you use it to grow and supersize your business right now? Take care. Bye.